My name is Zaina Imani, and I'm a member of the CSTEP program here in Morrisville. My experience here at CSTEP has been awesome because they opened up a space for us to do the research. They have everything you need: posters, mannequins, everything's there. The professors are very nice and they're very helpful. Dr. Laura, she was one of my first biology professors when I came to Morrisville, and she mentioned how she worked on previous research. My second year, first semester, that's when the research came about. My research is on taurine and panarin to see how taurine affects the worms. Taurine is in energy drinks. It's in a lot of things we drink. My ultimate goal is to go to med school, and I feel like Morrisville or the CSTEP program is helping me get into that goal because, of course, being published in research is going to be a very big thing on my resume.